In today's tutorial, I will show you how to export videos with a transparent background in After Effects. Let's begin. I already have my scene ready. It's a 3D animation done with Element 3D. And I want to export this animation with the transparent background. I'll go ahead and hide my background layer. Our scene should now have no background displaying. To verify, I'll select this icon here. And it will show me this checker pattern wall, confirming that it's cleared. Now that I'm ready, I'm going to select the Render Queue tab. And I'll drag my composition into the Render Queue window. Once in this area, we are going to focus on the output module. I'll press on the lossless blue text, and the output module settings window should appear. Here, we're going to confirm our format is QuickTime. Next, we are going to select the Format Options button. In the QuickTime Options window, we are going to change the video codec from animation to Apple ProRes 4444. Once you do that, go ahead and select OK. Now, this step is very important. Otherwise, you will get a video with a black background and not transparent. In the video output section, let's change the channels to RGB plus alpha. Once that's done, go ahead and select OK. Now select the location where you want to save your export. I'll export this file to my desktop. I'll select Save, and then I'll select the Render button. Perfect. Okay, now that it's done exporting, I'm going to head over to my desktop. I can see my file, and as you can see, the file size for videos like these can get really big. This is only a 10-second clip, and it's at 423 megabytes. When I press the spacebar to preview the video, you will see it with a black background. However, don't worry, it is transparent. I'll import this to After Effects to show you. I'll go ahead and drag this clip into my project window in After Effects. And I'll drag in my newly exported video file onto my timeline. Perfect. I'll drag the video a bit to the right to show you that it's in fact transparent. I'll bring back my background and I'll hide my Element 3D layer since I won't need it right now. I'll position my newly imported video here. Okay, it's looking good. You can see it's not fully centered because it crops from the bottom here. I'll make sure to center it perfectly. Okay, this looks good. You now know how to export videos with transparent backgrounds in After Effects. If you would like to download this project file, head over to the tutosdigital.com website where you can download this and many other project files. If you found this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. On to the next one.